Step 3. Record your video. Many devices like your phone can record video. If recording, it is best to have the recording device on a flat surface that doesn't shake. Most of my videos are screen captures, videos showing what is happening on my screen. There are many good screen capture software out there. I am using Snagit to record this video. It is not free like others, like Screencast O Matic are. For this example, we will use Zoom recording because it is free, many schools are using it, and I can use Annotate and practice what I might do live. You can set up a Zoom meeting without any students. Turn the microphone on if you wish to record audio while recording video. Zoom is great in that it saves the audio file separately as well. Click Share Screen. Click Record in the More menu section. Record your screen. When you are ready, stop the recording or exit the meeting to finish. I record a lot more than I need because I will trim things down later and cut out any mistakes or wild mouse waving. Let the video compile and it will save in the Zoom folder on your computer. For me, that is in My Documents, Zoom, and the meeting date. Some tips. Go slow. You can shorten things, but it is much harder to lengthen video clips to match the audio. Be mindful of mouse waving. This can really distract an audience. Keep going. You can edit mistakes out later. You can record small sections and assemble them later to make a video, or film a long run and cut it into sections. Whatever you prefer.